Chris, not a bad day to break out that new umbrella if you got one.
No, I mean, as we told you yesterday, we are going to see the possibility for these stronger thunderstorms, and we already had one severe thunderstorm warning for central Palm Beach County. Let's go ahead and inspect it again. Pretty nasty sail coming through Lantana, Hypoluxo right now moving in towards Boynton Beach. Gusty winds could be as high as 45 and 50 miles per hour. Also could see some small size, pea-sized hail as these continue to move down to the south. Then we head up towards the north. West Palm still has some light rain, light to moderate showers through downtown, running down in towards Forest Hill. A little bit of light to moderate shower activity coming down to the south. And then we're watching this big cluster of showers and storms just northwest of the Gardens, just to the west of the farms, right off the Beeline Highway. You can see we are tracking it pretty heavily right along Indiantown Road and then the Beeline Highway, a little hail core right there. Gusty winds could be as high as 50 to 55 miles per hour. So heads up again on the western sections of the Garden, North County Airport, Ibis, that area, West Palm. We will see some very heavy rains coming on through in one cell outside of Indiantown, almost buttoned up around Palm City and Bridge Road. Now we're going to wait and see, especially for our Treasure Coast communities. You can see the outflow boundary and the sea breeze still marching inland, and that'll eventually interact for some showers and storms. We'll see a few more develop later on this evening. You can see our high-res future track showing the development as we go through the course of the afternoon. Here's 5:30 right along the coast, best chance for those showers and storms. And then as our sea breezes clash and we get more of that activity to develop across our inland communities, high-res future track showing 8 o'clock to about 10 p.m. Another round of these possibly stronger thunderstorms moving in again. We told you yesterday there would be that isolated risk for the stronger to severe thunderstorm. And in fact, that's what we're seeing right now. Those go away by 11 o'clock at midnight. We're left over with some leftover showers on your Wednesday, but not as active as today, as we'll turn the rain chances down just a little bit as this weak front works its way down to the south. So that impact weather alive through early evening. Temperatures will stay very warm and humid. In fact, where it's not raining, we're still into the upper 80s and lower 90s. Whether you go to the Treasure Coast or Palm Beaches, that rain chances a little bit on the higher end through at least through this early evening. All right, here's a look at the overall setup. Nice moisture content right on top of us. We're getting some extra lift from the Gulf. You can see a big blob of clouds that are sitting across the Gulf that is extra moisture, and a weak front that is dissecting the panhandle of Florida as we speak. We got those winds coming out of the southeast, and then actually winds in the upper levels come out of the northwest. Perfect ingredients for one or two of these stronger to isolated severe thunderstorms into the mix. So rain chances higher through early evening. Here's a look at the forecast for tomorrow. Your front actually tries to work its way in towards the Treasure Coast. It's going to allow the wind flow to come out of the northeast. Now, we will see a few showers on Wednesday, not as many as what we saw today. So dropping the rain chances down to 40% in both Wednesday, again on Thursday. So not as active, but then by Saturday, we've got a piece of energy moving in from our south, and that's going to enhance our storm coverages, especially on Saturday afternoon to Sunday evening, as we'll see that little piece of energy move across South Florida. So right now, as we see it, one of your weekend days, be it Saturday, looks a little stormier than the other. Beach and boating forecast for tomorrow. Overall looks good, but there's going to be some showers around. So we're looking at 1 to 2 feet, but there will be a few of these isolated showers around, kind of gray and cloudy at times, but still looking good if you get a dry spot or two. All right, here's a look at your first warning, 7-day forecast. Dropping those rain chances down to 40% both Wednesday into Thursday. Friday, we dry it out, just 20% mentioned there. Here comes that piece of energy with stormy weather back into the mix on Saturday as we pick the impact back up. Sunday, we turn the rain chances down to 40%, and then it's back to normal with the heat, with high temperatures right about 90. Guys?
Chris, thank you. The